Next is a conversation with His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on August 2nd, 1976, at the Paris Farm.
So, we have come here, very nice. Stay here. Where is your husband? Bhuvat is here?
He's in Germany.
He's gone Germany.
He buys some trucks.
Huh?
He buys trucks for travel.
He's a good preacher. He's now distributing books very nicely. You are also good distributor of books. Huh? In the beginning you are distributing nicely. So, preaching is our life. The more we preach, more we are successful. Jare dakho tare kaho Krishna upadesh. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's preaching. हमारा गए गुरु भैया तारो एक देश जारे देखो तारे कहो कृष्ण उपदेश. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Every one of you become guru and deliver the residents of your neighborhood. 8 days, wherever you are living, just deliver it. Becoming their guru. How to become guru? It is not difficult. Jare dakho tare kaho Krishna upadesh. What Krishna has said, instructed, you simply repeat it, that's all you become guru. So this should be preached all over the world. You learn from Bhagavad Gita and repeat. You simply say, Krishna said, 4 things are. Man manam bhavavan bhakta madhyadiman namaskar. Just always think of me, Krishna said, and just become my devotee. Just worship me and offer obeisance. Kindly do this. So if you can induce one person to do this 4 things, you become good. Is there any difficulty? Then you become a devotee of Krishna. How? Now let's think of Krishna. Worship Krishna and offer obeisance. Here is our temple, please come, offer obeisance, offer little flower, if we can secure. Otherwise, obeisance is everything. And chant Hare Krishna, immediately. To inform this message is difficult. Not at all. You may carry the message. If he is fortunate, he will do it. Even if he does not do it, you are carrying the message, you become recognized by Krishna. Tasmat manusyeshu paschitve priyakittam. You are doing sincerely, then you are recognized by Krishna. It's like a canvasser. Salesman goes to the market, tries his best to secure some business. The master sees the report, how he has worked. Even though he has not secured a single price business, but he has tried to introduce the goods, then he is forever. He is beloved. Similarly, we have to simply carry the message of Krishna and try to convince people. If one is convinced, it is good. If not, doesn't matter. I have done my duty. then you are recognized like this. Recognition means you become the dearest servant of Krishna. Then what do you want more? If Krishna recognizes then you as my most dear servant, then what do you want more? যারে দেখো তারে কহ কৃষ্ণ করে। So this message was to be carried by all Indians. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's desire. भारत भूमि से मनुष्य जन्म হইল যা জন্ম সার্থক করি করো পরোপকার। This is পরোপকার. So all Indians should take up this mission and do welfare